Hello everyone, welcome yet again to our Pidgin podcast. My name is Convivia, your favorite host, and today we'll get one incredible young lady who just graduate from one of the best universities of the day, Italy, or rather, Università di Firenze. Okay, Dottoressa, I believe you make you introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, my name is Diana,
aka Mama Gracie. Okay, guys, for this Mother's Day edition, so I constantly make I bring which other person I feel bring we go feel represent us rather than woman wey be say like not let motherhood or childbirth stop am from being wishing she want really be for life. Okay. I want ask you this question. How it be to like study with foreign language wey be say not be your own?
So study with foreign language may not be your own. At the beginning, it is very, very difficult because you need to understand the language first before you go decide, say, okay, you want to study with that language or not. For me, I come Italy when I still there. I be adolescent when I come Italy. So at least I go high school and that high school build me up for the Italian language in a very good way. I not just go normal evening school. I go high school. So the high school helped me to understand the language. So I believe I make to learn to study with foreign language. It depends on you. Now you go decide, say, okay, you want to study. So you go decide, say, okay, you go create time for you to study.
Okay. Apart from that, I want really know, like I always they talk and say child now very big responsibility. Who never born pikin not going to understand. Like how you take balance everything?
You need to find your own equilibrium. You need to feel balance everything with by yourself, because at the end for Europe we know as it be, we not get help from anybody. So that you go decide, say, okay, see time when I want to take off my child, see the time when I go to dedicate to my school work, or if they start do the same at both time, especially when the children when the baby they a little bit smaller, you feel still hold them, you do what they do, keep them for one place, then you do what they do. But when they grow, they come big, start to they run up and down, and there the problem they start because they want do what they do. My daughter, for example, when I study or when I prepare my thesis, she go one day on top of my table, they press the computer with me. Sometimes I remember sometimes the shout when I go shout because you go see say she press the computer and everything. If your fear na mail your thesis not vanished, like 50 pages of thesis make it not vanish because say she just want day close to you. Now you go find time for yourself to create to study. For some period that they wake up 5 o'clock in the morning, like during the pandemic when I started to work from house. I need to start work from 9 o'clock, so I go wake up 5, study from 5 to 7, or from 5 to 8. So when she go wake up, then 1 hour for us to prepare, then I start my work. So now you if you really want something, and you go decide, okay, I need to create time for myself to do these things. Or if for evening, maybe when she dey sleep, you go that time, you go know say you want study as a mom. Or maybe when she dey play, instead of you to dey press phone or to dey do other things, you go use that, dedicate that small time for you to study.
Okay. About this like dedicate time or motherhood issue, like some time ago I did go through TikTok. I can't see one lady, she can't talk say like in they see many Nigerian women. Only thing when they celebrate for Facebook now is a baby boy, is a baby girl. Like nobody they celebrate nobody get a kind of waiting. I understand. Say nobody get ambition. Nobody they think of achievement. What they think of like now to born pikin. You believe say childbirth or pregnancy or anything, if it stop woman from achieving what you want to achieve for life?
Like I talked before, everything depend on the person. And it depends on what you want and the people when they surround you and people when you surround yourself with mostly. Because for example, I don't understand, say for the Nigerian culture, the biggest achievement to them now marriage. But if you go dictionary, marriage not be achievement at all. Now just you meet someone when you love, una get mutual respect for each other. So now decide say una want live together as one. Now that one be marriage. Achievement na things when you do when you put hard work in to create something for yourself. For example, I fit consider my graduation to me na my biggest achievement. To me, na my biggest achievement. I be married woman and I get children, but to me, that one not be achievement. Now, blessings from God, those ones not be achievement. Because I not really work hard to fall in love with the man of my dreams, or now God bless me with the daughter the child when I get, that one not be achievement. But for Nigerians, now that one be the biggest achievement. If you be woman, you married and you come born, now that one be biggest achievement. So if you dey surrounded with people like that, when you get that type of mentality, be say, I don't marry, so all my problem don't solve, and I can't still born, all my problem don't solve. You say you too, you go fit still get that type of mentality.
Yeah.
But if you surround yourself with people when want to say, okay, life not just be marriage and give birth to children, you too go fit still do other things other than motherhood and just wife.
Okay.
Then if you still decide, say, okay, you're surrounded with those people, but you want them different, you still get your rights to be different from other people. Because, for example, me, people when I know now, few people for the Italian community, the Nigerian Italian community, we know they to go school. So I decide, say, I want to go school. I don't start school before I marry, before I born. I just decide, say, okay, now small remain for me to finish. So make I just put in the last hard work, then I finish. I don't even get intention to stop for there. I get intention to continue, maybe get masters. If God want, I feel get PhD. Because now waiting I want, and I'm not going to let marriage and motherhood stop me.
Yeah.
I will not say yes, it go dey harder than if you dey single, it go dey much more easier for you. But when you don't get family, you go decide when you want to take make choices, you go make choices based on you need to consider your family, consider your husband, consider your children. So it go stop you from doing many things when you want to, but that one not go just say, okay, it go make you not do them. You go create alternative for yourself. To me, marriage and having children not be only waiting go stop you. You need to, if you want, so if you just say, okay, you want to limit yourself to just being married woman and mama, this one, you feel limit yourself, but that one not be something we're supposed to stop you from waiting you want. The biggest achievement we basically get now to find your purpose for life.
Yeah.
You need to find your purpose for life. If you don't find your purpose, it means you don't miss out.
Okay, another important question when I want to ask you, like many of us, many Black, they always get this mentality, say, like, Italy not be society where be say like Black person supposed graduate, say racism day, you feel say like if you study for Italy, you go get the type of work where you want. And secondly, if we say we really see them, most times for all the places where they go, we don't they mostly see Black people, they take like important position. What will they see Black people they do? Is it that they do cleaning or they do all these, I don't know what's in
company work,
or the factory or all of that. Like, they ever see them for important places, maybe, I don't know, maybe for example, engineers, or, they see many doctors where they say they're Black, or, they see many women, like Nigerian women here, where they do like the important position. You feel say like, now we they cause some, or now the society, even though we go school, the society will not go fit in because say we be Black.
To me, the first thing na to try. Not be you just say, you not fit use the society as excuse. You need to try, put in your work. If you don't put in your work, you say the society not they give you what you want, then you feel move to a much more better society, but at least try. Because for example, we Nigerians, for example, when I go for school, the population of Black not too much, but Black students they. And not for class that time, not be only me be the only Black students. Other Black students they from Cameroon, from Ivory Coast, from Togo. There be some even come from those countries just to come school for Italy. Yes, so you know if you tell me say Black students, no, the Black students, the other foreigner students still they too. I get friends who be my classmates. That time I get classmates who be Albanese. I get classmates who be Peruviana. I get classmates who be Moldavia. Now university now where they meet. If you compare university to high school, university they much more open because you go meet people from all around the world. You go even see American students for your class too. So if you as a Nigerian person, you not put in your effort, say, okay, make I go school. If I go school finish, make I see whether I fit enter that better working position. You know, we can't talk say that the Italian government don't give you the opportunity. You need to first put in your own first. If they not give you the opportunity, then you go decide, okay, now they don't give you your opportunity. Because now we, at the end, majority of us, we feel, say, I don't say the Italian society, not be society when work they well like that. But if you not play your part as a person, how you can't say, okay, the they will just see you, say, okay, this person not now black person not fit work for you. Majority of us, we know they go school, we just say, okay, we can't find money. So if you can't find money, you go choose that work when go enable you to get the money as fast as you want. When go to make you they get the money, you not go say, okay, because if you want go school, you go pay to go school. If you pay to the time when you go spend time for the school too. So you need to the time when you invest for the school and the money when you invest for the school, you go want to make you get them back when you don't graduate. But if you not just do any of all those ones, so how you can't say, okay, the Italian society they resist or they don't want to give black people good job, because majority of the black people when be Africans, we not work to get that, we not do we not get the qualifications to get that good job when we want. Then even if say for example, you go office. They say, okay, they don't want you because you be black. Laws they when they guide against discrimination. If you apply those laws to them, now make they say, okay, you they complain say they not they give on our office work, but you never know the basic of the language. So how you want to make they give you office work? If person can ask you information, how you want to deliver the information give the person? Because the first thing to learn, you know, say you dey country when they speak English, you go first learn the language. If you don't learn the language, then you go see what the country fee offer. You not be saying you must go university. If you do other courses, you go feel make your life day better.
Because I dey hear like most waiting I dey hear Nigerian people they talk, we say we come this country, we not come learn language, we come here to like make money, no? But at the end of the day, these things don't make sense, because the same money where you say you want go make, if you go, even though na factory you did for the work or na cleaning you did, if you not fit express yourself, how you want it, you not even know like the basis of things where they happen for the country, how you want to defend yourself. So the person will take it for work, if he use you anyhow, if he like do anything when you want, you not even know your right. Like guys, it is very important. Say person go know the right. You go know the rights where you get for the country where you dey. No, nobody tell you say me you dey go like as she talk. Nobody tell you say me you go university, or nobody tell you say me you go do masters. But at least the basis of the language. Nobody tell you say me you dey speak Italo way be say even Italo people sometimes they make mistake. Even we will be say we still try go school here, we still they make mistake. But at least you need to like know the basis of the language so that you feel they express yourself. Like most time, it they pay me like sometimes some Oyibo now. For instance, they talk to them, no? And I know waiting the black person supposed to like the thing go even see they inch me for body. But the black person, you know, go feel deliver well because the language, you know to Sabian. So it go be like say the Nigerian person now for your own case, he go they speak, it go be like say even they add the own dialect, what he said, they cause the person. So guys, it is very, very important.
You go scatter the language. Then they go they frustrated. Then the Italian person go they frustrated. They don't go understand where they go for inside.
No. Because many occasions, I know say the Italian people, sometimes it go be like say see finish they worry them as a black person. Instead of them to speak normal Italo, they'll come and say ma tu parlare, tu mangiare, like that thing they vex me. Why you go take like you come to generalize, say maybe all black people don't know how to speak Italian. First speak Italian to me. If I not feel respond you feel they speak all those yama Italo where you they speak. If you come with me, come tell me non parlare, you don't respond. I won't answer you because you are taking me for granted. What you just say all black people not get education. So we need to put ourselves for that position where we say person not go they disrespect us. We not fit talk say turn to the Italian community, the Italian society, it not go give you the work even though you learn now. But at the end of the day, if they write you common text message, you not go fit answer back. Or if they write you for work, you come they find person will go help you answer, or like they call you, they find person wey go help you answer, or you wan book appointment, you dey find person wey go help you book the appointment. All these things, my brothers and sisters, na basic wey person suppose know for every society wey dey live, whether na Italo, whether na Germany, anywhere. You need to learn the language. It's important. Okay, moving ahead. You know, say we come from Edo State, right? I don't realize, say here, most people, they feel say Edo State women, they're not they good for anything. Only thing what they know how to do now to prostitute, and they shout and they do. Because most times you go tell them, I go tell people say I come, they not they even first they believe say I come from Nigeria, first of all. If I come tell them say I come from Nigeria, they go say either I be Igbo or I don't know. They don't they believe say I be Edo State. Like, why you feel say that they stereotype us all the time?
Like one question when I want to ask you before, like now the same Benin people, the Edo State people, they not they believe say you be Nigerian or any type of any Nigerian person at all.
Any Nigerian person, like if they just first see me, if they ask me where you from come, I go tell them say if they ask me you be Nigerian, I go say yes. They'll say no. They follow me, they argue. They'll say no, you know if you be Nigerian, you should say you not be Ivory Coast or auntie. I go tell you interesting one. One person, when I didn't know my husband newly, one person, he follow and they argue, say I not be Nigerian, say I be Ivory Coast girl. Now that one could they tell, no, I know this girl, would they go out? No, she be Nigerian. No, he said no, it's not the possible. He know me. Say my mama na Ivory Coast, my papa na Nigerian. They always they feel say like those state women, like they get education, they don't know how to do anything. All their aim for life now to come Italy, come the prostitute.
Okay, for example, that fact when you just say you not be Nigerian, that one they happen to me every time. Even anybody for example, if maybe I did go to work, I did inside train or person approach me, you tell say you be Nigerian. If I tell the person say I be Nigerian, they'll say no themselves, or you be either Ivory Coast or you be Senegal. Now be the two countries where they fair give you them. If they can't ask for the part of whether I come from Benin, whether I come from Edo State, I never really find. Because if they ask me say whether you be Nigeria, I tell you be Nigeria, where you come from Edo State, so they go rest their case for there. They know they really want push forward for that part. Not be only you they happen to, I believe, to other people. I believe say whether they believe say you be Nigerian, now the way you take behave and the way you take compose yourself. Now make them know they believe say you be Nigerian at the first time when they go ask you say whether you be Nigerian or not. For the part of say that they stereotype us as prostitute, you not go really blame people. I want to ask you now, just the Nigerian people or the white people?
No, especially the black people. They believe say like
for Nigeria.
Yeah.
For yeah.
I don't see one person where talk say like all the girls with their day here and all of them be a shower.
Okay, but obviously this person go get girlfriend.
I don't know.
And he get friend now. Another person be, because at the end, yes, because now what they believe say majority all the people when come, all the girls when come Italy say they be a shower. Not be everybody. Now wait, some people find themselves in a situation whereby they were forced to do what they don't want to do. Some people find that majority of these women will find themselves in this situation, and waiting happen with that. Maybe the person will say, okay, they come abroad, now go tell you see what you want to do for abroad. And when you go reach here, you go find that say, see what they say you can do from abroad. And because of some certain things when you don't do, they forced to live that life. But that one not me say you not go fit come up from that life. We all the Edo State girls, not be all of us we not be Ashawo. Not be only we dey Italy. Every other tribe dey Italy. Igbo dey Italy. Yoruba dey Italy. Hausa women sef dey Italy. Agbo girls dey Italy. But the fact say una just come choose one tribe, come call us all of us Ashawo, dey very very wrong, because not be only we be the women when dey Italy. Or I believe say majority of the tribe when dey Benin, when dey Nigeria as a whole, they dey Italy too. And some of them they find themselves to do work when they're not supposed to, when they don't want to do, or when they're not supposed to do. So you know if you just stereotype everybody as Ashawo. You when they talk say you they call another girl Ashawo, but you they date girl when fits they do what you they say that person they do. Maybe na the one with the way she did they treat you for house, now make you come believe say all the guests when they Italy, all Benin guests now, all Edo guests now shower, but that one not be truth. Not be all of us be a shower. And if you want even generalize them, children they when the girls they when they're born for Italy. So you want them say they're born for Italy, come turn to a shower for Italy.
I don't know. My sister that was Edo State girl.
Not be even that myself. These things they happen really for social media, because if you go social media now, maybe you as a young woman you comment for some stupid videos when our Edo girls they put. Maybe you comment. Some person if you just come out from us and one place call you a shower. It don't happen before. They'll just come because say they see say you dey Italy, they will just say a shower. Or if you even want retaliate, they will say maybe you don't come up from the shower and make you get out. It dey happen.
Imagine this is not really that funny. It's
not that funny because at the end you don't really know what that person they do.
Yeah.
So that will not give you the right to just give them name when not be your own.
Yeah. Like they feel say like guys, no. We still there. Category like every tribe they do everything where if you say you go take meet up for life. But that one not me say like we know they like if like they go say both they racist. But at the end of the day, I find myself they see some Nigerians and then they come the tribalistic pass. Like they go say this one I just this one I Igbo.
That's very, very common for Italy. For example, when I get pregnant for my baby, for my daughter, the fact say people never really know who my husband be. I see person when stop me, ask me, say, I go do baby shopping that day. As I do baby shopping, she can't see me because I say, you dey pregnant. Who your husband na Nigerian, na Italian. I could say no, say na Nigerian. Could say good. Because say but na which tribe it be, I could say na Bini, but na partly Yoruba. I could say very, very good because person supposed to be married from the tribe. I look this woman I just look her like 2002. I get my daughter for 2019. I say 2019. I person see they think of that type of now you still get that type of mentality. It still happen to me when I don't give birth to my daughter. Since her skin they light. One, I still see you never see me for a long period of time. You see me with baby. I carry my baby with baby carrier. She also say, your baby now, our dad na Italian. I say no, say na Nigeria. Say good though. Like sometimes I don't really understand. I believe say anywhere you find love, now there you supposed to date. Whether na black, white, even Chinese self. If you find love there, now there you supposed to date. So. People now want like for example, you want so the woman want me say she feel dates Italian man just for the money. If you come to marriage, you not go date that person. But if God doesn't that person be your husband, look, what you go do?
That makes some people sometimes they throw away their luck now. They go feel say, I need to marry my tribe. But at the end of the day, you marry your tribe, and now they go well.
Like at the end, now where you find love, now there your heart's supposed to be. Not because you're going to say now Italian, now white or some. You mean say after how many years this person when they talk to the first person, you don't stay for Europe for Italy for like 20 years or so. So you want to tell me see if maybe you can't come across Italian man when love you, fit take care of you, and love each other. You for not married because he's an Italian man, or maybe you can find another tribe man we not from that same Nigeria, but because say you not be from your tribe, you not go marry. If you still get that type of mentality for 2021, you not get where you they go because now where you there you go there.
Yeah, that's true.
But you still get some people who go say even if you get some because we don't know say for this Italy now, most Nigerian women they marry whites than Nigerian men they marry Italian women. I still believe say if your friend marry Italian man now you go they look at with one kind eye.
Say that one not serious. No, you still get this stereotype say if a Nigerian woman marry Igbo, he must go back to black people. He must follow black person. They always they talk. They always they hear this thing say like if black woman marry Oyibo, he must always they go back to Oyibo.
She means say she get one white black boyfriend for one corner.
Something like that.
You not go see to blame them because some they do some women they do maybe who not marry because at the end Europe marriage you get as they be for in some cases not be full some people not they really marry because of love. Some they marry because of condition. We know say to stay for Europe, you need to be documented. So you feel just maybe come across this Italian man, say, you don't really love the man, but the man will give you what you want. Many people they do they go marry because of that, just because of that reason to get paper. But the fact say because say one person do no mean say everybody go do
Yeah, that's the point.
I know couples, even couples when be the man and the Italian man, the woman and Nigerian man, they don't date together for years and they love each other. And that woman not go get the fear of God when she gets. She not go say okay, me she go they look for Italian man. That's very very common. So men if they say you they date Italian man, they'll come they even approach you They tell get some. I know since we did video, I get some stupid language when they go to talk you just. Person if you decide now we dey in a free when it comes to we not dey that time when the first person marry person. Now you they choose sexy person when you want to live the rest of your life with. You say this person gets the qualities when you find from it as life partner and then you go choose. So you not gonna get the right to tell me say because say I dey married to Italian man, me say I get one black man for one corner.
Generalizing.
Not just the generalizing everything. They go generalize them, but you they generalize them always in the negative aspect.
Okay, guys. Apart from that, this incredible young lady, apart from say she dey graduate, she still do patent where they give una sleepless night. I beg, tell them how you take to her because they give many people sleepless nights.
For the patente aspect, for patente at the end, I not quick start. I'm supposed to start when my mates did.
You know what I mean? You pass and you don't pass.
I pass. If maybe I drive for start when my mates did do it because at the end I can't join, add that one join. Now, most say, well, I know say okay, fine, a year. And I decide to say okay, make I start to do patente. When I started to do patente, 1 month after patente, I know say I get better, and I just say okay, we must get this patente better by force. As I still do, I do the theory parts. The theory parts, I don't get problem with that one because I go the course throughout for at least for 3 months. I go driving school, go the course, then I go study on my own for house. They do the quiz and everything. After I do that one finish, I fix exam because this driving school when I go, they cheap, a little bit cheap if you consider them to other driving school. So they feed up with foreigners. So if you want to write exam, you need to go tell them 2 months before the time of your exam because if not, you not go see, they not go feel because each driving school they get, let's say driving school they get number of people when they feel admit for exam every month. So you need to tell them a little bit longer before you do the exam. As I do the theory exam, I pass subito. Now the driving can become problem even for me.
I feel say now we may problem, kind of.
I spend a lot of money for the driving. Because as I talked before, I be that type of person when I want I don't say perfect, but I don't want to find myself in a situation whereby I go the right exam and I don't really know what I do. So I spend money. For that, the driving I do a lot of driving, and the fact say it can't still be during the pandemic period, lockdown. You don't go see anybody when you know if you not go even see person when you go ask, say, help me, teach me because
no, maybe now that school they better because if that's where you know they teach you, hey. My papa teach me, I go cry. You say you don't know anything. You remember they go ask.
Let me put that myself. To me, because for the driving school, 1 hour. Initially, 1 hour and 35 euro when I start. They can't add EVA. So when they can't add, the government can decide to say make driving school they pay EVA because before they pay EVA before. So they can't add 5 euro, they can't turn to 40 euro.
That time when I do one 10 years ago, my own
10 years ago.
Yeah.
10 years ago.
And my English I haven't seen this one. People say you get locked. My people know I don't get locked. The English still they hard.
And that time they use English before they come to now say now only Italian.
Yeah. Because they talk say people they drive, they not even fit defend it. Some people they get patented, but they don't even hear the language. They can't change them. Okay, una don't hear that. Una just need to study that book and do the quiz. Don't two ways about it.
you do the quiz, do more quiz, then study. Maybe you buy dictionary when go they help you dey understand the language that they ask for them. Because at the end, the quiz now so it be.
But the quiz now that one where you go see for driving school. Now the same
they are
thing.
the same thing. Then if you fail the first time, you still try again. If you still fail, you still try again. Just know say na money you go to spend in the meantime.
But no two ways about it. You need to read that book.
You need to read the book.
You
don't
need
get
to
what
read
you
the-
feel because driving, you need to, if you don't dey think of to get family, you need driving license. And
Yeah.
without for Italy, without driving license, you not fit drive car. You know, if they catch you, if you
You
go
are your own.
prison safe.
You're your own. Okay, guys, now don't yet. Okay, now before we close, wetin be like advice wey you go give young ladies rather, wey be say maybe that they feel say, I don't get husband, I don't get pikin, man. I want to even start self, or maybe I just want stay house. I don't want abeg too much. If not, the carico, come see the weight too much on me for me to go this in now they study, or even though not be study safe for person to like go find, as you talk, in purpose for life. Wetin be the advice? How person go take start with all those?
For that one, advice when I will give anybody be say, find your purpose. Your purpose not be say you must get university degree.
Yeah.
You know me say you must get the university degree. That one you feel become, for example, if you don't I dey see plenty women because I dey work as interpreter sometimes. So I dey come across women, Nigerian women, who just believe say this life now just as I talk am before, marry, get husband, we go dey take care of you and just dey born. But that one not be really wetin life dey about. If you dey live for, we know the Nigerian when because say you be woman, you dey limited to do some things. Now you dey live in a society when they much more exposed, when they accept women in every area of life and for the society. So if you want become anything, if you become anything when you want. If you want become the next Michelle Obama, if you become the next Michelle Obama. So why you go limit yourself?
You need to find wetin God creates you for.
No, you not feel limit yourself because say okay, you just limit yourself to just that marriage and childbearing. When children go come out for house and come when they don't grow, wetin you want to do? Wetin you want to spend your time in?
That's true.
Wetin you want to do? Like to me, for example, I study economics, but I find myself I dey believe say my purpose not even really to that area when I study. Because I dey work as interpreter. I dey find joy when I see say I make this Nigerian person who no understand Italian understand wetin they say make wetin they say make he do.
Yeah.
I dey believe say maybe my purpose, I need to go towards that direction, but that direction no dey create the type of work when I want. Because majority, if you interpret, they don't they give you that better contract.
Yeah,
just to say okay, once in a while they will call you when they need you. They don't no association day wait to say okay, you just day one play because maybe they're not gonna need your service every time. So you need to understand that they're not gonna need your service every time. So why you go limit yourself to say okay, I just want to be housewife, I don't want to do anything, because some women go just day house. Normal. I know they say okay because say you be housewife, it means say you be less of a woman. No, or because say I go school or I dey work make me better than you as a woman. No, you feel your purpose will just be in taking care of your children, preparing a good home for your family. That one not be bad thing, but more they think outside the box sometimes because we Africans, especially we Nigerian women, we know they ever think outside the box. We just believe say this one our life, now so it's supposed to be. You just need to think outside the box, and especially when you don't society when they give you the opportunities when you want. You feel do anything when you want. For example, to work, not be just say okay, work to make money. Work feel they make you they give some jobs when you feel do they give you satisfaction.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
The fact say you feel, for example, nurses, some people they work with nurse, some people when be nurse, they find satisfaction from that work where they do because they help other people. Doctors, they give a lot of satisfaction because they help other people. Now be you just say okay, we too they always they keep our mentality for that box.
We dey into one, it go be like say we dey one cycle.
One cycle, not just that cycle. And the one way they make me when they make me now, not also make me vex, or when they not really understand the fact they say at the end you don't live your life like that. For example, me as I dey now, my daughter, I know they imagine her when she dey marry. I dey imagine her when she want get degree, when she want become something when me I not fit become. But you'll see some other mothers, picking of 2 years, you don't they think of when you want marry. No, it really.
They go say now our tradition. If I don't know, if una see like the video where me and my mom do, I can't they talk about say like person purpose not be say if person waka come na come tell African parents say Senti, me I don't want boom. They go call family meeting. Hey! My picking our bond. No, not be only that one, but the purpose of life. If you be see, go even take care of other children where be say they're born. You know how many children they suffer for this life. If you be see, go still take care of other children. You don't need born to become mama. If we even say we reason them, they go say no. You need to burn your blood.
That one, I believe say that the way that they see that generation, their generation, they see life. So you know the way life be for them, you're not gonna really blame them. But if I see, can they see other young mothers like me, can they get that type of art behavior, that type of mentality? You get as it be, because at the end, Europe, woman, for example, one Italian woman, she don't go space. I don't know what it, I don't remember what it be her name. She don't go space. They see women for politics. They see women, even for Nigeria now, women don't see they enter into politics, but not that much. If you compare them to Europe.
But we are getting there. I feel like a lot of people with of this generation, I feel like a lot of them, even though not be really here for Italy, but they see say even for Nigeria, this our generation, they really they wake up. Yeah.
We don't they wake up a little. You know, we still really blame our mama generation.
No, so their own thinking.
They are thinking, the way that they see life. So you know, we really blame them like that much.
Now we will feel blame.
Now we change. Now, if we change the situation and everything.
But the last question before we go, if not, this thing will really be very, very long. The last question when I there for you, how you feel say like we now, young generation, they always talk about us, our parents, they come here, they hear language, consign them. How you feel say we now as a young generation, we will feel like empower these women? May we feel still like positive impact. How you feel say we feel even still give them positive impact? Say, okay, this how we want fit to help them.
That one go hard because majority of, like for example, me, I be this very reserved person. I dey do on my own. I be that type of person when they believe in that Italian date when say meglio soli che mal accompagnati.
Okay.
You when your papa bring come, your papa, your mama bring come Italy or come abroad, the way you say they think and what you want aspire to, they different for person when come on your own.
Yeah.
Because in fact, you need to understand, say, for example, that person when come on your own, get family for house when you need to take care of. So as that person come, now just money, that money, make money, or not, even if say not really get family to take care of, now just the suffer when don't suffer for Nigeria, just to prepare them. They go on make the money, even to the extent of going through doing things we're not supposed to do just to make that money. I don't work with, as I talked before, through my interpreting work, that will not be my full-time work, not just my part-time work. I see women, as I talked before, it go hard because I come to meet with women when at the end, even the normal language school self, they don't want to go. You don't want to go school, you don't want to do anything, you go just stay house, they press phone from morning till night, and you go expect yourself to get a good future. It go dey very, very hard. I find that much more difficult to work with women because they're not really
they don't care.
They don't care. They get that I don't care kind of life because they know say at the end maybe I go definitely see one. Their main aim is to just see one man when go they take care of them. You don't want to be independent woman on your own. You don't want to be not be even self-made woman. And the type of media, the way that they follow for media, you know, they really they helpful like that. For example, me, I know they watch, I know to they Facebook. If they see all those their saga and the bits, I know they watch. I prefer to go on Netflix and watch one nice film where maybe even if like small thing I learn for inside. But you go see these young girls, they clap hand for things when really not make sense. So why you want to educate that kind of person to say, okay, you can make a difference. In that case, you know, it did to me. When they talk say Italo people, they see them in a certain way. Now the way you take put yourself. Now that as they say dress as you want to be addressed. Now the way you take put yourself. Now that kind when that person when they want get relationship with. Now that same way go take address you. For example, Italo men more leave their own for one corner because them too they annoying sometimes. But you not go blame them because now wait they believe say.
But no, I go still blame them. I go still blame them because at the end of the day, like you know, if you see me for road, they tell me say, "Bon passaggio." No, why you believe say because I be black woman, Laura, I did cheap. Say you go feel help me. How you want to help me? Why you want to as I did? How you want to help me? No, because they make me the verse. You know, if you see even the job where they say, okay, this Ashawo work where they say our guests they work. At the end of the day, you both see they do them. Why if you say you know go see you both small girl for road they tell them person. And the most annoying partner, all those one way don't old, they don't reach 100 years and they're gonna disturb your life. No, one day I need to threaten and tell them say, well, I go call police for you and not try me. Now you gonna tell me say scusa. Like I go blame you. You not see your like your fellow white person come they tell and say come inside my car. What do you mean you want to get to the talk together? I go blame you.
No, don't be the TBC at the end. The Italian men they don't now as you talking before now. Normally those old my grandpapa age.
Great grandpapa self.
Now them now you always see they disturb young Nigerian girls. You don't happen to me to the extent say I come down for a bus stop before when I supposed to come down. Now Sunday safe. I just come from church. I just dress normal fine.
You
normal
not consign them.
You know because at the end they will just say the people will just say okay now the way you take dress.
Nah,
this is not the way you take dress.
You feel be like mad person just they walk out your just they think about your life. They go they'll see they call you.
As you just wait happen if you see the man with you know those old Fiats when if they jam these new cars they will destroy the new car. And so the man come meet me for un passaggio. Now I say ma perché why you they ask me whether I want passaggio? Now I ask the man, say, sorry, if maybe say I be white woman, and so I tell her, say, if I be white woman, you for stop your car.
Not go bold.
They ask me why I want passaggio. Scusa. And I say, scusate. Scusa. I say, scusate. But I mean, I tell her, say, scusate, because say you see me, say I be black. I was wearing the Ghana, native Ghana. You know, be saying, even when I get pregnant with my daughter, the same thing. Now, as it must be like say now, because me like say this period, I don't notice say the harassment. I don't believe say that they know say na harass they harass person, but na harassment.
They go because they use car, they follow you, they follow passaggio.
Na harassment that they harass person because at the end you are harassing someone.
Yeah.
This period, I don't notice say. They harass from my.
They don't lock them inside house now. Lock them.
Because I don't see from my own point of view, I know they really see. They know they maybe because they see me with baby. Even if they see you.
They will see the blow whistle.
Oh, this man.
People.
No, because you know at the end, you know because when this as for economists will say the c'è la domanda, no?
Okay. What if the demand?
The demand they high, so the supply too still they high. So you know, go really blame
they are crazy.
No, they very like the one when they make me the first pass, we say at the end these people now known they be grandpapa and grandmama.
If they go their family meeting now, they do like saints.
Like these people are grandpapa and grandmama. So, for example, you see girl when you know say this girl now obviously underage.
You know now that all those ones they like us. Sport brats.
Huh.
My people.
That one, like you see person will be this person are obviously underage. You go see. I remember that time when I see the goalie shell with school bag.
You know, consign them, not just consign them. Okay, now my people, when I don't see as the team be, so I want to congratulate this young lady. You know, they easy, especially here for Italy. The language, if we even start with the language self, when I know as it take they hard for person to even still get degree for inside this language, you know, easy. So I want to compliment them, my babe. Nice word, sweet word. I want to go tell them, okay, you know, easy to be mama and to go school to graduate. Okay, now Dr. Teresa, thank you for coming. Una need to know anybody will graduate for here that they call them doctor or dottore or dottoressa.
Before we close, get something we want to talk because let's say some people, for example, the graduation, my husband put the picture for Facebook, but they congratulate people. Let's say some people don't understand what they mean, what did they do because one person said happy marriage. But not because of the corona that
not because of the crowd they give you
Okay, whereas if we graduate for Italy, we know they wear toga. We know they wear graduation gown because that one not be the even my own self now inside my parlor now for graduate because school they locked because of the lockdown and everything. And now you dress corporate or dress elegant, then you go wear the crown that they call Corona da Lauro, then you hold your thesis and they go, everybody must. Now Europe with day, now flowers, people they give people pass. I don't know whether that's the flower because I get like 3 or 4 flowers that they are not also whether that's the flower because they think say now marriage, not marriage.
She graduates.
We graduate, not be marriage. Because some people will stop the answer for roadside. Bros, congratulations. Right? No, this one, the one that made me laugh fast, he said, bros, congratulations. I say, wait here. He said, I see the marriage picture. No, be marriage. Now graduation, my wife graduated. I say, from language school. Oh, God. From language school.
You're still behind the sleep head. Okay, my people. Okay, happy Mother's Day to every beautiful woman where they out there. Whether you get picky, you not get picky, you be mother, you don't concern us. Happy Mother's Day, everybody. Okay, now until the next one. Bye bye for now. Mona, subscribe, like, share, okay?
And comment.
Comment. Nice comment, I beg. Person graduate, Mona compliment, Mona do. Thank you.